put 400 grams of whipped pastry cream over medium heat. We add 200 grams of milk, 125 grams of sugar, vanilla essence. We remove. To 12 grams of powdered gelatin, we add a little water to hydrate it. We add the hydrated gelatin to the cream when it starts to boil and turn off the heat. We remove. Now we let it cool. We put 135 grams of chopped fresh strawberries in a pan over medium heat. We add 30 grams of sugar, 15 grams of water. We stir until it boils for a few minutes. Once the cooked cream has cooled, we package it and chill it in the refrigerator for a few hours while the strawberry jam cools. When the panna cotta has cooled, all we have to do is add jam and chopped fresh strawberries on top and decorate with a sprig of mint. Remember to subscribe if you like this video or if it was useful to you. Give it a like and share it. Thank you very much and see you in another video recipe.